Welcome to the Kilauea volcano update for the 2nd of February 2024. Hundreds of earthquakes continue to rattle the southwest rift zone of Kilauea volcano. The alert level remains at watch and the color code remains at orange. Since the last 5 eruptions that took place at the summit, an eruption happened within hours after the alert level/color code increased to watch/orange. I want to bring your attention to these 2 tiltmeter readings from June 2023 and January 31st, 2024. Which were taken from the Uakohuna tiltmeter located on the northwest part of Kilauea caldera. Notice the similarities. Immediately before the June 7, 2023 eruption, there was rapid inflation of the summit, and within hours there was an eruption. This happened with the 5 previous eruptions since December 2020. So what is going on here? The January 31st, 2024 earthquake swarm, coupled with rapid inflation of the summit, obviously caused the alert level to change, but did not result in an eruption at that time. This rapid increase was caused by the instrument being shaken by earthquakes, giving it a false positive that an eruption was imminent. However, the intense ongoing earthquake swarm continues into its 3rd day since it started on the 31st of January 2024. However, the Uakohuna tiltmeter located on the northwest part of Kilauea caldera and at sandhills located just outside the southwest part of the caldera shows deflation in the last 2 days. Summit deflation means either magma drained back, start of an eruption, or magma migration to the rift zones. Magma migration to the southwest rift zone is the likely reason for summit deflation and ground deformation of the southwest rift zone. However, the volcano remains highly pressurized, so an eruption can happen at any given moment. Since the morning of the 1st of February, earthquakes have migrated from the summit to the southwest rift zone near Pu'uko'ae. Pulses of magma is migrating into the southwest rift zone as these earthquakes show around 25 to 30 earthquakes per hour at a depth of about 1 to 4 kilometers below the surface, with a magnitude anywhere from 0.5 to 3.0. There have been instances of earthquake swarms and magma intrusions here before in the southwest rift zone back in 2015 and in 2021, but did not result in an eruption. There are, however, far more earthquakes on the southwest rift zone this time than in 2015 and 2021. This earthquake map from 2015 and 2021 recorded less earthquakes when compared to this map from the 20th of September 2023 to the 2nd of February 2024 time frame. The recent earthquakes on the southwest rift zone extend from the southern part of Kilauea caldera to 10 miles or 16 kilometers to the southwest along the Ko'ae fault and covers an area 5 miles or 8 kilometers wide. The possibility of an eruption taking place on the southwest rift zone is much higher this time than in previous intrusions here. For the past 200 years, an eruption occurred on the southwest rift zone about every 50 years or so. The last eruption was in 1974. If an eruption were to occur anywhere on Kilauea, it would most likely happen in this area at the summit and/or this part of the southwest rift zone. I strongly believe, based on the data, this time an eruption may happen on the southwest rift zone for the first time in 50 years. An eruption in this area is likely, but not guaranteed. The potential for an eruption anywhere on Kilauea within the month of February 2024 remains high at around 95%. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.